up, guys? Hey, welcome to another product review. I don't know if you guys know, but the Model 3 only comes in black and white as far as the color of the seats. And if you're like me, I did not have enough patience to wait for the white. And I also wanted to spice it up a little bit, so I went online to go check about how to change the seat colors. And you can either do seat covers or you could do reupholstery. But I wanted to try seat covers that looked pretty good online, so that way I didn't break the bank too much. So that's why I ordered from Taptes, and you can see it's from China. And it says it comes in a case like this: no bone handmade 3D car seat cushion. So it comes in either lychee green leather or Napa green leather. I ordered the Napa gray or Napa green, and here are the seats. You can see right away, this is higher quality material. I like it, and we're gonna see how it looks. Here is, I'm assuming these are the front seats because the back seats might be a little bit bigger. You have each individual head cushion, and I think this is to peel back the back right here and make it nice and snug, which is nice. This is, what is this? I don't know, let's find out, let's install it, here we go. Alright, so after trying to put a puzzle piece together, I just kind of laid out what I thought goes where. So it looks like the bottom here is separate from the top here. This is on the passenger side, and then the headpiece right there. They have one for your center console or the armrest, which I was surprised. I actually didn't know it came with that, which is cool. And then once again here we have the two separate. Now here in the back we have one long one for the bottom here. We have two separate ones here. This one has a large flap for the middle, a cover for the top right here, and then these ones just go right over, so it's not separate like the front ones. And then I have these two things. Still trying to find out what that's for, but we're gonna go ahead and try installing the other ones first, and then see where everything lies. So I don't know if it comes with instructions. It didn't come in the box. I don't know if it's online, but like any other man, I'm gonna attempt it without instructions first to see how easy it is, see if it's intuitive, and then if I have a lot of difficulty, then we'll go ahead and try it. So we're gonna do the passenger side first. I'm going to slip this one right on over because there's two Velcro straps here on the top. Actually, it might be smart to put this over first. There's a strap right on the back. Make sure the headpiece goes right over. Go from the back a little bit. Where? So here on the back you can see, I'm just pulling it in place. Here's the Velcros. So this is a strap from the back that you can see. Nice and snug so we can hide as much of the black as possible. Let's go back to the front. Looks like this goes underneath as well. There's straps here on the back or underneath. So I don't know how you're gonna get under the seat for that. I'm just gonna try to go simple right now and not hook anything up and take apart anything. I think I'm gonna have to look up the instructions. So, all right, let's look at it. All right, so I figured out the passenger seat. Finally, so I recommend getting a flashlight because you need to see under the seat. But the thing is, all the straps that are underneath, you have these two vertical long ones and this one horizontal one. This all travels under the seat and then hooks it to make it nice and snug. So in order to do that, you feed the lines and the straps back under here into the crevice. You get it from the back, you shoot it up front, you hook that up, put that behind, and you're all good. And then if you can see, passenger seat looks really good. You can see that's the Tesla style stitching right there. Looks really good. There is the front and center console one, looking good. I'm gonna do the other driver's side, and then we'll tackle the back seat. So when doing the front seats, you have to get rid of this curtain here. And all it is this latch that goes onto a bar. So you have to undo that. That way you can put the straps underneath. What's up guys? All right, I just got done with the front seats. Got a couple of drop locks in my hand. If you don't know what that is, check my last video, but basically it's a way to help prevent thieves from targeting your car. But first time removing them, they were pretty easy. So it did its job, but you know, it takes a special tool, and we're gonna go ahead and do the back seats now. And that's the reason I took this down, because we're gonna fold them down and then wrap it around. All right, here we're working on the right back seat now. As you can see, it has straps here on the back that you go on the back of the seat. It's Velcro, nice and easy. And then for this part right here, there's the Velcro straps, as well as I found out the reason these seat covers look so nice is because it really hides a lot of the black. And that's because you have to tuck it in. And tucking it in here is, as you can see, pretty hard, very tight. So that's when those tools come in handy. And we're gonna go ahead and install this. That's how the left side looks. It looks great. And can't wait, we're almost done. We are here on the back seat, and as you can see, there's straps going underneath the back seat. I'm very confused because you see, it's not like the front doors where you can run it through under. Down here, there's kind of a gap. So I was poking around, and there's like a lever here that pops the seat right open. And then that brings you to this component. There's the lever right there. So we're gonna see if we can run it through that way. just if you're curious. That's how it looks underneath the seats. Alright guys, I am finally done. I'm a little bit tired. They're not just normal seat covers where you just slip right on, and it's an easy install. Actually takes quite a bit of work. Total install time for me was around 50 minutes. But look at that. You can tell, look, the stitching is just like Tesla stitching. The back, everything looks great. Everything's tucked in nice. You can hardly notice any black. And you know what? It was, if you're willing to put in the work and you know, you have around an hour, I would say these are totally worth it. Or see how they last over the next few months. But it just changed the whole look of my car. I mean, look at this. What's up guys? Hey, thanks for watching my video. I have had my seats for about a month now, and they still look great as they did on install day. No fading from the sun, and it looks awesome. Every time someone gets in my car, they comment on these seats, and I've been getting so many compliments. They look great. If you're like me and you couldn't wait for those white seats, or you want a different color if you did get the white, Taptes has a bunch of colors on the website, so I'll leave it in the description below. Check out their website guys. Taptes, thank you so much. I love this. It changed the whole look of my car, and it's just so sporty. So if you guys like this video, please leave me a like, comment, subscribe. If you think about buying a Tesla or leasing one, you can use my referral code in the description below. I'd greatly appreciate that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. It was fun. We'll see you next time.